Hi, 4th and 5th graders. This is going to be your intermediate bird drawing. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Zoe's my helper. All you need is a piece of paper, a pencil, eraser, and some crayons or color pencils for afterwards. Okay, first step, let's start with a branch. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay. So you need a branch. Okay, second step. It's okay, you can catch up. Second step.
You're not showing them my steps.
Okay, there's Zoe's branch. All right. Next step, we're going to do
A bird.
We're going to do an oval. Make sure the oval is not touching your branch, but not far away either, because his feet won't reach.
How big?
So, not about how big, it's about how close. Not too far, not too close. Mine is still kind of far. I think I'll bring it a little lower. Okay. Next step. Very nice, Zoe. Your head's gonna be sideways though. You'll see what I mean. Next, you're gonna add a circle for your head.
Let me mix this up. I'll do it.
Okay, circle for your head. And then you're going to add kind of
for my head.
A triangle meets a rectangle for your tail. Okay? All right. Now we're going to erase some connecting lines. Let's erase where the body meets the tail. Let's erase the branch going through the tail. It's behind.
Or
anything inside the body of the bird, you gotta erase, Zoe. And then erase the connecting line between the head and the body. Okay. What I'd like you to change the shape of is where the head meets the body. I don't like these pointy V's that we have on each side. So I'm gonna zoom in so you can see what I'm gonna do. I'm going to do a letter C on this side and a letter C on this side. And then I'm going to erase the V's.
Let me see.
I just changed the shape a little bit. Okay?
How do I do that?
Okay. Next step.
Mama, but how do I do that?
Well, you didn't put your head on the body. You put it in the body. So you don't need to do that. Okay? Uh-oh. There goes your Kinder. Okay, next step.
I can still eat it.
Next step.
I can still eat this.
We're going to add a wing.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to go a little higher. I don't like where that is. Oh, that's the problem when you draw dark. You can't erase completely. Erase the part of the body going through that wing.
Erase a few parts.
Yeah, this is a lot of erasing. Okay. Let's do something basic now. Let's put a V inside the face. A sideways V. Why'd you erase the tail? You're supposed to leave the tail.
No, because it's going in the branch.
That's okay. It went over the branch. You see? So we're now doing a V inside the face and then another V outside the face. One going this way, one going that way. All right? After that, erase the line of the face going through that beak. We're going to add a circle for its eye. And another circle inside the eye. You can fill it in now if you want to. Then we're going to have a connecting line from the beak to the eye. And then we're going to go around. It's just a design of this bird. I don't know if it's a red robin. I don't know. But here's some details in the face. Also put a line down the middle of the beak.
And we're done.
No, we're not done. We are going to give this bird, well, let's give it a little letter C over here. Okay?
And I want you to try.
Oh, yeah. And then erase the connecting line. No, I'm changing it a little bit from the picture I have up. That's his little thigh. And then we're going to give a leg. And then toes. Maybe one on this side. And then in my step-by-step, I didn't add another leg. So let's do that now. Let's put another leg.
Done.
It's on the other side. Okay?
Now we're done.
No, we're not done. Now I'm going to give it details in the tail. And in the wing, I did lots of details for you guys. So we're going to completely transform this wing. You can add your own way if you want to, or you could do it my way. But right now I'm just going to do kind of like a letter C's going down the back. Erase anything going through or outside of those C's.
I'm not going to do that.
Okay. And then I'm going to put some C's here and do more C's here. Connect here. Then I'm going to add lines for my wings. Texture basically, and that's it. Now you're gonna add some details to your branch. Don't just leave it like one branch. People won't know what it is. So let's give it some leaves, some flowers if you want. Make it your own. Create more of a background. Add whatever you want in that background. If you want, you can create like something far in the back, maybe a hill.
Can I start coloring?
Not yet. Maybe another hill. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know what's in the back. Maybe we could just put some clouds, some other birds flying. You decide. I'm going to pause it, color mine, and then press play. All right, my students. This is my finished product.
And this is my finished product.
So notice how the only thing I've left that's white. Oops, and I forgot the leaves. The only thing that I left that was white is the clouds. So please color everything in. If you want to try to add tones, you go right ahead. I gave my bird a few little tones, nothing big deal. You can try to do something like that too, just to practice and keep up your 3 tones. How we create lights and darks. We'll work more on that in a couple more weeks with some lessons. But for now, I wanted to keep things simple and fun. All right, have a good weekend, everybody. Bye.